Okay, here's our second example of predicting whether a compound is ionic or molecular. And we're using this general hint for us. When we're looking at the compounds, if we have metal and nonmetal atoms, we can predict that it is an ionic compound. When we have nonmetal atoms bonded to other nonmetal atoms, we can predict that it is a molecular compound. Now, this gets a little bit more complex, and again, we can bring in metalloids, for example, but just for our general purposes for this topic, we can use this definition and get by just fine. So for this first compound, we have MgOH2. This is magnesium hydroxide. This OH you should recognize as a polyatomic ion. So here we have a cation and an anion. Well, metals form cations, and this is a polyatomic ion and anion, so it's an ionic compound. Metal, non-metal atoms. So because I can see a metal present here, ionic compound. Magnesium is in group 2A. Here, I have barium phosphide. Barium is a metal in group 2A, ionic. Phosphorus is a nonmetal, metal and nonmetal. Here I got C3S2, tricarbon disulfide. Well, carbon is a nonmetal, sulfur is a nonmetal. There are no metals present here, so I would assume that this is a molecular compound.